Generally, the platform leveling process should only be required the very first time you take AstroFab 2K out of the box. Remove the front cover. After turning the machine on, click on Tools, Move Z, and move the Z-axis 10 mm up. Unscrew the 4 screws on the side of the build platform before installing it into the printer. Ensure it is completely loose. Next, install the build platform into the machine and secure the mount screw as shown. Place the leveling paper that is included in the box on the LCD screen. On the screen, click on Tools, then click on the Home icon. Wait for AstroFab to lower the Z-axis, and when it's done, while gently pushing down on the platform, fully tighten the 4 leveling screws. After done, click on the back arrow, then click on Set Z equals 0. Click Enter on the next 2 prompts and the printer will automatically raise the Z platform. At this time, you may install the resin tank by slowly sliding it in and tightening the retaining screws.